Hi everyone, this is Kendra from 509 Design. I'm the marketing director and now officially the YouTuber who's making all these videos for the company. It's been really fun. I just wanted to walk you through one of our clients' 3D renderings that we created for them. A 3D rendering is a digital model that we can have our clients walk through in order to see how everything relates in the space. So they have an amazing home, but it was having a little bit of some layout issues. We had to move a bookcase that was adjacent to the fireplace in order to make more room for foot traffic. We're going to put new floors in and help them out with the furniture as well. Here you see that we have the family room, which is adjacent to the kitchen. Before, the TV was shoved into the corner, so we wanted to fix that. We just needed to orient the furniture in a way that is aesthetically pleasing and just makes a lot more sense. They love the lighting fixture that they currently had, so they wanted to make sure that it looked well in the space. This is the dining room with a wet bar that we are going to add. The glitching that you see is actually a mirrored tile, so it looks like it's glitching, but it's actually gonna look really great. We've got some under cabinet lighting. And this is our entry. So we did two versions with the hex. We did this white version, which I think works really well with the gold hardware and the dark cabinets. And then this is the green hex, which doesn't contrast as well. So we wanted to provide the clients with this option because she had sent this as inspiration. But in the end, she decided to go with the white hex, which we're pretty happy about. Here's our laundry room. We're going to put a custom shelf with some hooks and custom cabinetry that's going to mimic what is in the kitchen, and a powder room off to the side with some very floral wallpaper. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this explains a little bit about what we do for our clients. We're very excited to see this come to life, and there will be a video about the renovation for sure.